made a lot more progress pulling this thing apart. Not too much left in the cab. We'll pull out the heater control head assembly, the pedal assembly, sides, pull the doors off, and then we could probably start pulling the bolts here to get this cab off the frame. So hopefully we'll have that done by today. And it won't be long until we actually start putting this thing back together and turn this into a really awesome truck. So let's get to it. Okay, so we pulled the heater core out. Hoses come through these two holes, right, in and out. And then these three posts come through these three nuts. So there's nuts on these, on the back of the heater core, bolts into the firewall there. So a trick from someone who's done this a couple times is that label everything when you pull it off, and then mark these cables like I have here. I just used a Sharpie before. Oh, look at this thing, is sensitive. Before and after. So when you put these back, you put it right back in between these clips. You put the marked right in between, so you have the right amount of adjustment, and then you don't have to spend the time adjusting. I just picked up this MP435, and this jabroni is looking rough. We can get it clean, but it's gonna take some effort. I actually like how the guy shipped this. I could tell this guy shipped some stuff. So, thank you, Brock. Other than that, turns all right. I'm curious to see what it looks like in there, but I actually don't mind when they store these. I got a note on it that there was no oil in it. I actually don't mind when they store with oil. I don't know how it was stored. It keeps the rust down, so hopefully the gears aren't too rusty. We'll clean them up, but so we'll rebuild this guy. If you gotta vacuum your engine before you work on it, you should just rebuild it. So now that we've got so much of it apart, we can pretty much work on anything. That front diff is sitting over there. Tear into this motor, kind of see what's happening here, pull the transfer case, get the cab off the frame, get the rear diff off, so we could just work on the frame. And once the frame's done, we'll just move on to the next piece and start building it back together. So yeah, subscribe, follow us, watch this truck take on a new shape, new life. That's what That's what I'm all about on this channel. Just restoring them, keeping them on the road.